Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD. AutoCAD introduction. I will tell you what is the AutoCAD. AutoCAD basically make the engineering drawing for the use of industrial purpose and 2D orthogonal projection drawing create in AutoCAD. Yes, when this is how to set the ratio. So first of all, look at this here annotation setting. If you I will do this work from 2D drafting. So when you click this drafting annotation, if you work 3D modeling, so when you click the 3D modeling selection and AutoCAD classic type, so when I show you, this is the drafting annotation and this is 3D basic. So like 3D basic command showing area, and now your 3D modeling space from background showing this AutoCAD. So this is different annotation, and this is called 3D working of AutoCAD background. And now same thing here available in 2D drafting. This is called here extruded box, and directly create the 3D modeling and 2D drawing in AutoCAD. So same thing is here when you do the 2D work. So when again change from this position, when you click this here and go to change 2D drafting, so this is again change from 2D drafting work. Here look at this downside, is a downside tab available. It is called grid here. When you click the grid, their number of block is available in my workspace. Same thing, if you our line is going to be straight forward for projection according to make the line, so use the ortho line. So here the different types of polar, snap, everything is available according to line management. When you go to use from continuously in further classes, so today I will tell you the introduce from this. This is the workspace from AutoCAD. When you start the any line, if you I make this line start from x and y axis. So when you click the 0, 0, then start the line. Here the tab available, this is called line diagram, this is called draw command. Here different types of command available. This is a different tab here, insert tab. If you want insert the any image file and PDF file, so here the insert. Annotation is available, dimension, tools and everything, parametric views, manage. So if you when I save this for direct new page, so it is called new page, and this is open any file, so already developed, already saved file, so go to open. And if you want to save our file, when I make has been done, then after save this file, so go to save. So this is introduced for AutoCAD in this session. So start from this here, this is our modify line command here available, when draw command and line command, so available here. So today has been complete this introduced for AutoCAD, and thank you.